Hello everyone, my name is Chris Birch, and in this video I'm going to talk about translation and transcription. So first I'm going to begin with translation. Translation is split into three stages, which is initiation, elongation, and termination. So for this process we will have the parts: the ribosome, the tRNA, and finally the release factor, which can be seen right here. And so what I'm going to explain here is that this strand right here, you can see, is the mRNA. And so the mRNA has these codons in it that, when copied by the ribosome, by that in the process of translation, it is copied into a strand which makes an amino acid, which is the protein. The whole process of translation is copying RNA to a strand of protein. So for this process, the ribosome is going to enter the mRNA, and right here, once it enters the mRNA, the tRNA is going to enter in. And so in this process, the codons are going to be copied one by one, step by step, and they're going to form this line right here, which is going to become the protein. And so when everything has been all said and done, when it finally starts to finish, the release factor seen here occurs, where it stops the translation and the product, the protein, is released. So in transcription, and right here you can see that the mRNA is formed into the protein. So in transcription is converting DNA into RNA. And so transcription is a whole lot different from translation, because transcription relies on although it relies on the same steps, initiation, elongation, and termination, transcription is usually a bit more of an easier process, since it is. So we will have the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the release factor, the translation factors here, and the DNA, which is going to be used for this process. So right here we will also be using the RNA polymerase as well. And so right here, the RNA polymerase has already entered the DNA. It is copying this messenger RNA right here, and it's going continuously along the DNA, copying every segment as it goes. However, when it reaches a stop, the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, bumps into the RNA polymerase, which causes the RNA polymerase, which signals it to stop. So that's it for today's video. That is the entire video for translation and transcription. And I hope to be with you again, and until next time, bye.